If you've ever wanted to play a web video inside VLC Media Player, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. This is super useful when you want a familiar player, better playback control, or just an easy way to open an online video link without using your browser. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing you need is the URL of the online video you want to play. So go to the web page where the video is hosted, then copy the full video link from your browser's address bar. In some cases, you may need the direct video URL rather than the page link, depending on the source. Once you have that copied, you're ready for the next step. Now open VLC Media Player on your computer. VLC is a free media player that can do much more than just play local files, and one of its handy features is streaming network media from a web address. After VLC opens, look at the top menu and click Media. From the drop-down menu, choose Open Network Stream. This is the option that lets you load content from the internet instead of from your device. When the Network Stream window appears, you'll see a field labeled Network URL. Click inside that box and paste the video link you copied earlier. Take a moment to double-check the URL if needed, because the link has to be correct for VLC to load the video properly. Once the link is in place, click the play button at the bottom. VLC will now begin connecting to the web video. Depending on the website, the video format, and your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to load, so don't worry if it doesn't start instantly. Just wait while VLC processes the link and starts playback. If the video is compatible, it should begin playing right inside VLC Media Player. If the video doesn't start right away, there are a few simple things to check. First, make sure the link you pasted is the actual video URL and not just the web page address. Second, confirm that the source allows external playback. Some streaming sites restrict direct access, which can prevent VLC from opening the video. And third, try copying the link again and pasting it back into the network URL field. Once the video starts, you can use VLC's normal controls to pause, seek, adjust volume, or change playback settings just like you would with any other media file. That's what makes this method so convenient. You get the flexibility of a web video with the control and simplicity of VLC. So to recap, copy the video URL, open VLC Media Player, go to Media and open Network Stream, paste the link into the network URL field, click play, and wait for the video to load. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.